There are a number of Toast notification plugins available in the Bubble plugin directory, but this has to be the most beautiful. Just look at how great these notifications look, how minimalist they are, how clean, how crisp, how they scroll with the page as you move up and down. And you can add these in just a minute or two. Let me show you how. So we're using this plugin. I just saw the developer Paul promoting this on X, and I thought I've got to do a video on this because they look so good. So you can customize titles, messages. You can have multiple ones. You saw them queue up in that demo there. Flexible positions on the screen. There is a small charge, but hey, it's very important that we encourage and promote beautiful plugins in Bubble, and we can just dive into the demo app that Paul's created to see exactly how this works and how easy it is. So simply in plugins, we have the Toast notification plugin installed, and then he's got this set up a little bit more complex because he's got choosing different notification types. But if we dive into the workflow he's built, we can see what's going on, which is to say, if you've got the error button toggle selected, or the info one, etc., it's just triggering a custom event. So if you just wanted to trigger this, all you need to do is add in one notification, and so you would do that with plugins. Maybe this is because I'm on his demo app, but you'd find it in Toast. Yeah, Toast to Toast. It's not going to let me make changes because I'm in this demo app, but you just add in one action and then fill in the different parameters: title, message, position, color, notification type, etc. And that's how within a minute you can add in beautiful notifications like this into your Bubble app. So if you're watching this video, it's because you're building an app with Bubble and you've got an amazing idea that you want to bring to life with no code. If you want to accelerate that process, your learning experience, etc., click the link down in the description and head over to planetnocode.com to learn more.